What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shemaveli, and I'm back with another video, man. Hey, the last few weeks, everyone been panicking.
TikTok.
You know what I mean? TikTok, CapCut, not there. But I think your boy found a solution, man. And I'm here to show y'all. So let's get into it. So first, what we gonna do is make sure we have that airplane mode turned on. And you guys definitely have to be connected to Wi-Fi. That's just what I did, and it worked. So that's step one. The second step is make sure you guys go to your settings, click on your name. It's the second step. And then step three, make sure you guys click on media and purchases. And then we're gonna go to step four, which is you should see country and region. And if it says US, make sure you guys change that to Canada. And then I think they will ask for a form of payment. You just have to click none, and then you should be good. And then step six, they'll ask for an address and phone number in Canada. Just find a random number and address online to put in. It should be super simple to find, but I'll have it on the screen. And then step seven is, hey, download a VPN and make sure you guys change that location to Canada. That should be easy. I'll have that VPN right here. And then now what we all been waiting for, go to the Apple Store, search TikTok or CapCut, push download. Right when you push download, turn off your Wi-Fi. Phone should still be in airplane mode. Obviously it's not going to download because there's no internet connection, but as soon as you turn off your Wi-Fi and it's not downloading, turn the Wi-Fi right back on, and now you should be good, man. You got TikTok and CapCut. It's back. We got it. You know what I mean? Also, CapCut will need VPN to work in the US, so you still need a VPN for that. But once you have the TikTok on your phone, you should be good to go. But yeah, man, that's as simple as it gets, and I'm out.